I think what we see a lot in car design nowadays is also ways to implement the modeling into the design, or basically I'm talking about the use of algorithmic design or parametric design. We see it in a lot of concepts that have been developed recently. I think this is also a cool direction, and definitely also an opportunity for modelers to have a bigger impact on the design and come up with cool ideas. Not everything is easy to sketch, or not everything is easy to visualize by I don't know, by renders or sketches, but sometimes using parametric modeling or using modeling techniques that generate something fairly complicated could be really interesting, and this could be a cool area to explore.